This is how I remove the paint from a paint can. Using any vise and a clamp, I just clamp the can upside down. So there's a little bit of gas coming out right now. It's bleeding into the atmosphere. You'll feel the can is getting cold. It's getting cold right now, and there's still propellant coming out. That's my setup for removing all of the propellant. In this case, it's probably propane and butane. So I just clamp a clamp. I also have a vent up there that's drawing air out of the garage right now. This is explosive. I suppose if I lit a match right now, I could probably have a flame coming out. And then squeeze down and depress the head. And once all the gas is out, the next thing I do is I puncture the can with an awl. All I did is pierce it here and here. And then once I pierced it, I got a glass jar like this. And this is the lacquer. This is what happens if you put lacquer in plastic. It just melts it down. I did this one so you could see it. Cause a real problem. Of course, glass is completely fine. I don't decant the paint because decanting is too slow for my taste. That's why I puncture the holes after the pressure has been removed. Puncture the holes, and then I just drain the paint. It dribbles right into a jar. And then I've got my jars of lacquer. All right, hope that video has been helpful.